Okay, children, in this fifth module, I'll be talking about the distribution of rainfall and also about the retreating monsoon. Let me ask you a question. What is the study of weather pattern over time and space called? The answer is climatology. Let's see the distribution of rainfall pattern in India. The western coast and the northeastern part of India receives 400 centimeter. Do you know the name of the place which receives the highest rainfall in the world? The place is Mawsyn Ram, 400 centimeter of rainfall. However, the rainfall is less than 60 centimeter in western Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Rainfall is equally low in the interior of Deccan Plateau and east of Sahyadris. Sahyadris is the name of a mountain range in the state of Maharashtra. Let me now discuss with you the answer to the question, why does the rainfall decrease from the east to the west in northern India? The answer is, the Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon, it moves towards northeast, bringing more moisture and causing heavy rain in this region. And as it moves further towards the west, it carries less moisture content, and that results in decrease in rainfall in the west. Is it clear? The rest of the country, you see that it receives moderate rainfall and snowfall is restricted only to the Himalayan region. Understood? When you're seeing this slide, you take interest to find out where is Mawsyn Ram and also write down the question and answer which I discussed. Let me discuss one more question with you. That is, why does India have a monsoon type of climate? Firstly, the climate of India is governed by the monsoon winds. And you know that the monsoon winds are confined to the tropical region, that is 20 degrees north and 20 degrees south. Secondly, in the Indian subcontinent, the Himalayas, they guide the flow of the monsoon winds, bringing the whole subcontinent under the influence of winds. Thirdly, these winds accounts for 75% to 90% of the annual rainfall from June to September. The last point you'll have to write that India is influenced by southwest monsoons, retreating monsoon and the northeast monsoons. Please go through these additional points about the southwest monsoons or the advancing monsoon season in India. See what is written in the first point. The windward side of the Western Ghats, it receives heavy rainfall more than 250 centimeter. Next, the Deccan Plateau and parts of Madhya Pradesh also receive some amount of rain in spite of lying in the rain shadow region. The maximum rainfall of this season is received in the northeastern part of the country. That's all from me for this week. See you next week.